Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Lou and a big welcome to those of you who are new. Today I am going to do a bonfire night set. Now I know this is not traditionally celebrated in America, but here in the UK it's what we celebrate on bonfire night on the 5th of November. So I've decided that that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to have, that's my thumb, I've not got it the right way around, there we go. Excuse these, I haven't got round to making them pretty yet, but I will do. This one's quite pretty. So this is the thumb, and I'm going to do Guy Fawkes on that thumb. The little finger, I'm going to do a toffee apple on there, because that's traditionally what gets eaten. Well, loads of toffee and toffee apples. And these three are going to be a bonfire, people watching and fireworks. That's my plan. I've seen a picture. I'll show you my picture. I'll get it on my phone. Where's my phone? There we go. I don't know that I've got, there we go. So that's the picture. So if you can see the sort of little people here. The fire's there and then there's some fireworks. So I'm planning on, that's what I've got my inspiration from for these nails. So I'm going to do a Guy Fawkes and a toffee apple as well. So these are going to be on the three middle fingers, this picture, hopefully. See how it goes. I'm going to use neon colours I've not used before on nails. So yeah, I've spilt a few opening them when I were showing them on a video. I think that one, if you can see half of it's missing, because it just went belly up and just went everywhere. It was quite funny, I have to say, when I look back at it. But yeah, at the time, it was a bit of a nightmare. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get cracking. So what I'm going to do first is do the background colours of these. This one's going to have a white background, so I'm just going to paint that white. Those three are going to be black, and this one I'll do white as well, then at least it'll match the background of that one, yeah. I'll go with white for that one. So I'm going to come back once I've painted those, because obviously you don't need to watch me painting those, just a straightforward colour on there, and I'll come back to you guys. Right, I've put the coats that I want on here, so I've done that one white, like I said. I've just given that a slight buff over, because I'm going to be painting on it, and I find it a lot harder when the surface is shiny. Those three colours have had a couple of coats of matte, obviously the black and then the matte, because I'm going to do like a neon on that. I'm hoping that one will work okay, because it's still a little bit shiny. I've given it an extra coat. I'm hoping it's just because it's not dried properly. I might put it in lamp a little bit longer for that one. I've only just done it, you see, and obviously that one's the matte, and then I've left that one with the shiny. I'm going to pop the toffee apple on there. I've got an idea of how I'm going to do that. I'm going to start with the middle finger. I'm going to do this neon orangey colour to start with, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of white. So I'm going to start with the fire first. Right, I need to make sure, because what I want to do, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Right, okay. My plans are for it to be over 3 fingers. So the fire's going to come up from the bottom of here. Right. So yeah, let's see if I can get my angle right. I've got my nails on that I did in my last video. I absolutely love them. Beautiful. They're the 3D tips that I've done, like the smoky effect with the Sharpie pens. It's got stickers underneath that one. You can't really see that much, but it's got the sort of diamond effect I did with the chrome underneath. And yeah, I love that one. It is actually black. It looks purple, but it is actually a black that I used on that. But I do love them. But I've made little holes here because the gloves are a little bit too small for me, so I'll make little thingies in there, look, just so they fit a bit better, a bit more comfortable, because I don't like wearing them, but I know we have to do. So there we have it on that. And look, that's seeped down there now, look. Yabbing. Right. Oh, right, okay. So it's gonna be, can go a little bit higher actually, I think. It's gonna be about like that. You see what I'm doing here, yeah? So if I go from an angle, kind of like that, an angle like that, and coming up there, right, oh no. Right, at least I've got an idea there. So I'm going to go from top up here now. I'm going to use a different brush. I think I'll use this one. And here now I want to get my flames. But I hope you guys are all okay. And I hope you enjoy watching my videos. I'm just trying out different things all the time. It's hard to find inspiration, I think, for me, because I just don't know what I'm doing. I ain't got a clue about all these flowers, and I haven't really used many charms or out like that, have I yet? It's just knowing what to put on where, really. I don't think I've done too bad with what I've done so far, because I ain't got a clue. I just sort of roll with it. Just think, I can give that a try and have a good think about how I'm going to do it. And then just think, right, just crack on. You just got to go for it, haven't you? And that's kind of what I do. I just hope for the best. I mean, I do watch people's videos, obviously. I like to make sure that I try and keep up with everybody. You know, I'm watching everybody's channels and people's shorts and things, and you learn from them. Pick things up. To get rid of that a little bit. Pick things up from other people. And then experiment giving it a go. That's the start of it, then that'll do for a start. I know I need to do the other edges down there a little bit, so hopefully I'll get that to match. But I'm just going to zap that for about 30 seconds, might take it out just before. So that'll do, I think. I might move the other nails so they're getting this all over them. And then I'm just going to gently wipe that. Oh, I've got a little brush here, look. It's actually left a little bit of a sort of the residue on it, which I don't mind, because that's like a bit of the glow. Well, that's what I'm seeing it as anyway, a bit of the glow for the fire, so I'm quite happy about that. Let's see if I can get this off of here now, though. Yeah, I can live with that. I can live with that. It's no biggie. There we go. That's fine. I'll be putting some fireworks on it, so it's okay. So that's that bit there. Not finished, not at all. Got other bits to do to it. But I'm going to go down to this bit now. So yeah, I've been doing this now. I think this is... Tomorrow will be 11 weeks since I started doing it. I started my channel. And even looking at nails, if I'm honest. You know, looking at other people, other creators' things. I literally... looked at it for maybe 1 or 2 weeks. I didn't know there were so many creators out there. You know, it's obviously really, really popular, isn't it? There's people out there who have thousands upon thousands, millions of followers, isn't there? It's amazing. And I thought, sure, there's a room for another little one. goes on tonight. So I might not better finish this tonight. Not that you'll know that because I'll be editing it, so you won't know anyway. You won't have a clue. I didn't need to say that, did I? I'd have just carried it on editing it and you wouldn't have known, but it'd have been none the wiser. Right, yes, I think I've just got enough time to do the next bit of the fire that I'm wanting to do. Yeah, look at that. Ah, I haven't even finished it yet and I'm right happy with it. Right. I get right giddy, well, it's a bit silly, I know. Right, okay, so I've done with that one for now. I will be using it for firework colours, but for now I've done with it. So the next one is this one. I'm going to do the same again, a little bit of white. I'm getting well chuffed, look. I'm excited. I'm a bit giddy. It's a bit pathetic for my age, isn't it? It's very busy. You know, you might think a set of nails might take, I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hours. But my word, all the rest of it that goes into it, I can be a full day. One set of nails can take me, in hours worth, can take me a full day. Even longer sometimes with all the editing. Then I like to try and think of what thumbnail I'm going to use. Am I getting it right? I don't know, guys. You tell me. I don't know. I'm just going with what I think and that's all I can do. You know, I'm my own, at the end of the day, my own little boss, aren't I? But I'm loving advice that I'm getting off you guys. So I'm open to it all the time. And if I get things wrong, just let me know. And I'll do my best to put it right and make sure I don't do it again because I'm learning. I'm not going to do everything proper right, am I? Did I put anything on that one? Don't think I did I? I'll put it away, haven't I? I didn't dab any more on it, did I? Yapping. I'm trying to talk, then it's not, you know, that silency bit. But then I get mixed up what I'm doing. You see, done it again. Off. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm not happy with that. So that's that bit, and I might have to leave it there and come back. So that's my fire. I need to do the little people watching it, and I need to do my fireworks. So I'm going to do that next, but it's going to have to be a bit later on. Not that you'd know that because I did it and you wouldn't have a clue, but that's what I'm telling you anyway. I'll try and get these off my hands. So yeah, I'll be back soon, guys. Hope you're liking what I've done so far. What do you think? Yay. I'm happy with it anyway. The first go at it. So yeah, see you soon. Bye. Right, hello there. I'm back. The one at football. Yay. 3-0. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to carry on with these ones and I'm going to do as if the people are watching now. So let's see how I'll go with this. Start with middle one. Now I never have the right brush for this kind of, I might start with a dot actually, a dotting tool. I've got a little dotting tool, that might be too big. That one. Dotting tool for the shape of the head. So if I go with a bigger person here. Smaller one there. Smaller one there. Another one there. Right. so fireworks. Right, I'm going to do... I don't know if I'm using them colours actually, but I know I definitely need the pink. Might do the middle one. No, I'll do the side ones. Pink. Right, I need a bit of white again. Don't think I might need that one. I need that one. I don't think I do need that one. I'll leave it anyway. I'll leave it. Leave it anyway, just in case I don't decide. Right. On to the fireworks. I had a G&T as well. And I had some tweaks. I'd not had out to eat. I'm saying G&T. It was a gin and cloudy lemonade. It was lovely. Might have one again in a bit. What's your favourite tipple, guys? Anybody who gives me a comment? Put in your comments what your favourite tipple is. Mine is a gin and tonic, but I'm partial to red wine as well. Or if you don't like to drink alcohol, what other drinks do you like? Yeah, that'd be interesting. Right, get in there. I'm going to tap that for probably about 10 seconds. I've got a 5, a 30 and a 60 on my little zapper. So I'm just going to do it for 2 lots of 5. And then I'm going to go in with... Where's my little brush? No, it's not that one. I've got a little diddy brush there. Look, that one. That's what I used on that black end, isn't it? And I want to put a teeny bit more. This is a very stiff brush, not a very good brush, but it'll do for this. It's making it a little bit brighter, really. There we go. Where's my brush? Lovely. Happy with that. So then I want to go in with... I want the purple. I didn't do the bar. I need to mix the purple. Oops. Top of a top lid off. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? I don't know what it is about purple. Don't know. I don't know. But I do love it. Oops. Right. I put a bit too much of the purple neon powder in there. And I need a right little bit anyway. Let's have a go, see what that's like. It might be perfect to undo. Who knows? Don't know till we try. Let's give it a go. See what this is like. Yep, like that. Get that up. Do that for 30. And I want, I've got a little bit, just like that as well. It's probably going to end up dyed now, that isn't it? Not come off. Oh no, it's coming off. It's come off. Cool. So I've done that one and that colour. I'm going to just pop them away. I've got a little set of little drawers up there. Right. Lovely. I'm going to put, where's it gone? There, look, a little bit of this on. Don't need much, teeny bit. So this is going to give it a little bit of sparkle, really. I'm going with that brush. Well, that's what I'm doing it for. Yeah, that's lovely, isn't it? Yeah. Loving that, loving it. That can go there. I'll put that in for 60 now. So I'll do this one next, and I'll follow it from the other side of that, and I'll do this one. I might do that one a blue, and I'll do this one. Have I got a green? I've got a green. I'll do it green. That's that one done. How lovely is that? I'm well pleased. Oh, really pleased with that. Right, so this one is going to come out that way now. So it wants to be opposite to that. So it's going to come that way, innit? Out from there, out there. Right, green, green. And I'm on, which one did I use? That one. So there we have it. So that's the... How lovely is that? Smitten. That is really lovely, isn't it? Yeah, over the moon with that. Over the moon. So, that was the easy bit. Now I'm doing this bit. God knows I'm going to do this. I'm yawning now. Right. Guy Fawkes. You can see the lines in this, you know. Won't be able to do when I've finished. Right, Guy Fawkes. Get a picture of Guy Fawkes. That one. I'm going to go with that. I might put the... what you call it's on it, but I don't know yet. Right, kind of do the hat first, I think. as that for a minute. I want to use some grey. I haven't finished the hat. I need a bit of grey. I need some of this out of here for Toffee Apple. Lay that for a minute. Till the rim around the hat. That's what I'm going to do first. Looking good. So that was 60, and then I need to do a bit more black and a bit more grey for the hat. Put that away. To make that round with an hole in it, let's put something. Might be too thick for a stick. Make it a bit bigger, I think. This is a stick for the Toffee Apple. Go back to this. So I need to carry on with the hat. Right, so it's going to have... God, I don't know how to do this. I'm going to stick it. I want to make the hole. I'm going to stick that in the lamp. It's probably going to need a little while in it, I think. Back onto this one. And I'm going on to the black. hands on that hat. I'm going to faint ones if I can. Just down there. There we go. I know you can hardly see them, but I know they're there. Think of that. Smitten. I think it's my favourite word lately, smitten. I'm hoping that's going to be dry now. Just touch up a bit of grey on that actually, before it goes in, tiny little bit. Just there, look. There we go. Right. Yeah. Oh, proper cute. Right, okay. Dynamite. That's what it is. Them bomb things, dynamite. Dynamite sticks, might put a couple on underneath that. Right, let me go to this. Yeah, little toffee apple. Right, I'm going to put that way because it doesn't matter at this stage. About that underneath a bit. Take that out. Toffee apple in. Going to go over a bit of black, a bit of this black. Just to... go. Loving that. I'll give this another coat. do, because you do with the toffee apple a flat bit, because that's how they bake them, isn't it? When they bake them, when they put the sauce, the toffee sauce over it, it sort of sits so you have a flat end at the bottom. So I'm going to put try and make a bit more of a bottom bit. Probably going to want a bit more than that on it. Hey, that's done. Right, well that part is, I think I will do 2 dynamite sticks. So look how they are in this picture. So I'm doing them out of cylinder. And then with that thing coming out of it, right, let's have a go. Don't want to mess this up now, but let's do them in a bit more of an angle. I'm going to do the outer edge with the black. One. Oh, I get so nervous. Hey, right, that's that bit done. I'll do the, right, okay, a little stick coming out of the top. Right. going to put some gold leaf on it. That's what I'm going to do with that bit. Right, put that in. See how we're going on here, look. Yes. Perfect. You see that? How cute. Little toffee apple. Oh, I'm dead over at moon. Over at moon. I'm ready to put that in on its side a bit to dry. For that to do its thing on the underneath. Over at moon. What I've got to do with red. I need a bit more red. Put dynamite, and then where did I put myself? Gold foil. A couple of little teeny bits of this. And that one will do. And that bit. Oh, blow it away so easy. I like to put things away, you know. Which straw did I get out of now? There we go. Right, I'll colour these in red first. I'll try and do it with that one. Teeny tiny bits. Dope. Nearly done. Oh, that's beauty, isn't it? I can't believe I've done that. Oh, God. I never knew I could do it like this. But lovely jubbly. Right. Let's have a bit of a tidy up. Oh, that's in there. Look at that. Right, nearly done that. I'm not done yet. Absolutely beautiful. How cool is that? I've done that. Oh my days. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. My little toffee apple. I mean, that's some balls in it. That is just like a little miniature toffee apple. I'm going to pop that on there, look. Give that another coat, I think. As you can see it lined, you know, it's one of them tips that are has the line for the shape in them. And you can see it, so I'll give it another coat. I wonder if I'll give it another coat of this and then I'll give it a top coat. That might fix it. Oh, loads of bits in that. Go spoiling it all now. Don't want that, do I? The top coat. Can't believe I've done that. Can't draw for toffee. Well, you're my witnesses. Watch me do it. Guess if you want to do something, there's no such word as can't, is there? All I've got to do now is stick my toffee apple on and I'm done. Right. Happy days, happy days. Right, get this stuck on, look. Come here. I hate this stuff. It don't like me either. Yes. That's going to be too big. I'm going to pick it up now. Could swear, but I'm not going to do. Oh my God. Why? All right, I love you. I love you. Stick that to that. You see it. Bet you will, won't you? Well, it's white anyway, so who cares? A tiny more little bit for a stick. Come on. Come on, you. Really? go. Get it in the lamp. My days, my days, my days. There we go. And that's it, guys. I took my gloves off. So there we have it. There's your Guy Fawkes. How cool is that? Proper pleased with that. There's your Guy Fawkes with the dynamite. Then you've got your 3 nails. 3 nails there. So then with the people in the background, sort of in front of the fire, so they all look dark. And the fire, and then the fireworks above. Really pleased with that as well. And you've got your toffee apple. Look at that. Toffee apple. And your Guy Fawkes. What do you think of that? Bonfire night? Smitten. Proper love it. Proper pleased with myself. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I know it was a long one, but I hope you enjoyed it. I've certainly enjoyed doing it. Can't believe I've done it, to be honest. I'm really surprised myself. But once again, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please hit that like. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to me. I'd really love you to follow my journey and support me as well. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Like I always say, please take care. And if you can't be good, be careful. Bye.